morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, Senior Mentor of 1 Billion Signals, sponsored by Merit Forex. It's Monday morning, new week, new trading opportunities. So I really hope you had a great weekend, because this week is gonna be pretty interesting, especially about the euro, probably your favorite currency pair. I'm gonna make a quick recap of the economic calendar to see what's gonna happen, and of course what we could expect as volatility. Existing home sales on Tuesday. Today we don't have major events. Existing home sales 2 p.m. GMT time. US is gonna bring volatility of the US dollar. Wednesday, new home sales for US 2 p.m. and 2:30. Crude oil inventories for sure. Crude oil inventories on Wednesday is gonna be interesting. Thursday we have interest rate decision ECB 11:45 and ECB press conference later 12:30. And Friday, GDP, gross domestic product in US 12:30 GMT time. So US and Euro definitely are going to be interesting currency pairs, and of course their cross currencies are going to be very interesting currency pairs. So as usual, we start with Euro US dollar. This is exactly why I don't like Euro US dollar. I'm going to show you the price just started creating a tight range, and we've been expecting to see the price testing the resistance. Nothing happened, quick drop, and now we can see again following this resistance level of the Euro US dollar. So I'm not gonna touch any levels here, any support and resistance levels. They are not clear anyway, so I'm just gonna skip the Euro US dollar and gonna continue with the GBP US. What is going on? Last week we tested the resistance 1.2557, and right now is staying right on top of 1.2505 round number. So we can definitely see continuation and testing the next support line. I'm just gonna move this one into a new support line, 1.2439. This level, new support line we have, so it's very important to follow GBP closely. Australia and US, it tried to break out, and we couldn't say that this is a false breakout, simply because the breakout was strong enough. Just slight retracement to test the support and continuation to the upside. I pretty believe we can break out the new resistance level that was created last week, which is 0.7081, the recent top. So I'm gonna looking for buying opportunities on the Australian US. I think we're in a bullish mode right now, so Australian US is absolutely clear for trading. New Zealand US, so broke out the support line, which is already support. It was resistance. After that, slight decline, and trying to continue breaking out the next resistance, 0.6790, something that I'm gonna place as new resistance level, and I'm gonna watch closely. For now, I'm not gonna open any positions on New Zealand US, but it's definitely better to follow it, because it could be a very good breakout. Otherwise, if it doesn't manage to break out the resistance, we can simply see retracement back and testing 0.6719. USD CAT going directly to crude oil to see what's going on. Last week we just simply had very red week for the crude oil, almost $6 drop for the last couple of days, and right now trying to recover. Quite normal reaction. We can see 57.29 our major resistance, and after that drop to the downside. For now I'm bearish. It's a little bit shaky because it tried to create an uptrend, false breakout, strong drop, and staying on support level. We have a support level 56, which is a round number, and we can see continuation of this continuation of the uptrend. If the price holds this support level, then definitely we can see even $60 per barrel. Otherwise, if we see breakout to the downside, this is our next support level, and it was clearly tested last week here, 54.82. Here it was tested 2 times almost here, and the last week again. So very interesting. Highly recommend you to be careful with the buy trades, but definitely we can see crude oil growing up. Otherwise, breakout of 54.82, it could be definitely very good breakout. So USD Canadian, following exactly the same logic. As you can see, it was going in a downtrend, tried to break out the support, didn't manage to. Again, second try to break out, try to push to the upside and to test the resistance, and it's very uncertain, very volatile, ranging, and just stay away from USD Canadian this week. Definitely it's a little bit more dangerous than enough. USD Swiss, so I'm gonna keep the same level, 0.98 as support, 0.99 as resistance. My favorite, of course, round numbers that are acting like very strong support and resistance lines. And right now, what's going on? So test the resistance, 0.99, broke down and tested the support, 0.98. After that, trying to push right now for the last couple of hours, trying to push higher. So good breakout of the support, 0.98, or testing the resistance level, and then we're gonna take a look what's going on and what we supposed to do. For now, just USD Swiss is closer to the support level, so you have to follow for shorting opportunities of the USD Swiss. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm totally bearish on the USD Swiss, considering the strong downtrend that we have right now. USD Japanese, we've been expecting a recovery from 107.84 drop. Once the price tests this level, it's breaking out, trying to break it out right now. It could be a false breakout and continuation to the downside, or breakout and test the next resistance, 109 round number. So right now, just the US dollar Japanese, you can see, is just not following very clearly the trend. So I'm just gonna wait couple of days to see how it's gonna perform, then I'm gonna looking for potential opportunities. So let's see, on Wednesday we could have much better opportunities, much clearer levels, and of course much clearer price action. So watch the calendar, guys, it's very important. It's bringing us volatility and sometimes unpredictable moves, so it's much better to know what could we expect rather than just holding and just not expecting what's gonna happen. So thank you very much for watching. Really hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs up, comments below, subscribe to our YouTube channel, share it to the people that you want to show what we do here, and of course have a very profitable week. Enjoy the day. Bye bye.